feel something. Feel like old me. I just want to get involved in the camera, but it's not their time, it's my time. My time, my family's time, not their time anymore. I just want to get involved in it. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but anyway, see you later. Alright, I'm going to stop fussing. See, that's why I like when I have my hair in a bun or whatever, because I can manipulate it as much as I want and it will sit exactly where I want it to sit, you know what I mean? Anyway, welcome back to my channel. The last video I did on process of building with Dad, a lot of you seem to really enjoy that, so I'm really pleased that that was helpful. A few people have asked me certain things to do with the shutters, so I thought what I'll do is I'll do a video on the interior design process in which I'm going to be doing, because the shutters that they chose were out of a few that I gave them options of. Yeah, so let me just start from the beginning. So basically the style that we're going to go for is African style, which obviously is quite cliche because we are here in Africa. I knew that from discussions I had with my dad more so, that he was quite interested in that kind of style. He likes a lot of natural woods. He wanted to keep some of the brickwork, so that's more industrial. And I know that he kind of likes more whites and kind of, you know, clean looking things. So I thought to myself, okay, I'm sure he would like certain pops of colour, and I know he loves like certain artwork that is from Africa. Specifically the ones that we have are from Gambia. So I thought, all right, let me do this mood board. So I did a mood board, so it's African style, I suppose with a slight hint of industrial. I'll put that on the screen somewhere here or here. So there's going to be a different color palette for each room. The whole house is going to have one color theme, which is going to be like an off-white, black, and elements of gold, very muted gold. And then either for one specific room we'll have the burnt orange, another room petrol kind of blue, and then another room like the green. So that will go throughout the whole house. At the moment I'm just collecting images and things that inspire me from off the internet and from the shops and places that we go to, and just to kind of continue to build onto what it is we're going to have in the house. Also, because this is my first project, I'm not quite sure what is available here in Africa, Gambia, sorry. So going to the shops and seeing what's there is very helpful for me. So I've gone to Emporium, which I have vlogged. Emporium is like a really big, it's huge, this shop. Stuff that you have in your household, like bins, mirrors, things for the kitchen like cutlery, trays, containers, kettles, irons, that kind of stuff. Then you can go upstairs and they have bigger furnishings. You've got like large lamps, seating, they've got chests of drawers, indoor seating, outdoor seating. They also have clothes, which I didn't even know. They have clothes, mirrors, and then they have another section where they have fabrics, and then they have another section also, I think it's for children's clothing. From what I can see, I didn't go in that shop. But yeah, so, sorry, I need some water. Hydrate. One must hydrate. Yeah, so I took some footage from there, took a few pictures of things that I quite like the look of. Again, I'll put that on the screen. And then I'm going to dwindle it down and we're going to decide what kind of things that we want. Then the next thing that I'll need to do is I need to make a plan for each room. So the front room, the bedrooms, the kitchen, laundry room, hallway. I need to do a plan for all of that and add in every single item that we actually want to buy so we can physically see how that's going to look. That will be the next day. Currently at the moment the house, the what do you call it? Seriously, the concrete was poured on the top of the roof. and that needs 21 days to dry. I believe it's probably about around that time now, and then they'll put the doors on. Now, for the cohesiveness at our house, my dad and I decided to have the doors and the shutters the same, and they'll also be sprayed white, so that will help with the light bouncing off, because within the house currently it looks a bit dark. But that was something else we did as well. We have also done the plans for where all the lighting is going to be, and that was done before they poured the concrete on the roof. So we had a plan, and we put where we want all the light sockets to go, and then all the lighting to go, and then the sockets. Just for your average fan, well, not a fan, but phone charger, things of that nature, lamps, etc. Sorry. Yeah, and I think that's it as far as I can think of at the moment. We did get the prototype today of the shutters and the door. They do need spraying, but they look beautiful. They really look beautiful. It's made of wood. I might insert that as well. But yeah, so that's where we are with that. And once I'm able to get an idea of other things that we need, because there's so many things, obviously we're going to need like a toilets, space sinks, showers, choose the fixtures and everything for in the kitchen, the worktop. There's a lot to do. Yeah, there's a lot to do, which I'm totally up for the challenge. Like, this is like my dream job. So, and this is why I have obviously moved here as well, because there's so much construction, so much building going on here. This place is just moving at a fast pace, and there's so much to do. There's so much business to be had here, and what I really want is I want this to develop to a point where I can then take on some people myself, train some people. So this is just fantastic for me. I'm living my dream. I hope this was informative for you. Feel free to tell me of any other videos that you'd like me to do. I am going to do one on beauticians and things of that nature. I hope this was enjoyable, and I really hope that this was helpful to those that have asked me about the shutters. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much again. I'm so grateful for all the new subscribers. I'm nearly at 1,000 subscribers, which I'm really pleased about. I'm just grateful that my content is interesting, informative, and people find me funny. I'm just a bit of a crazy one, but that's just me, mate. Yeah, anyway, like, share and subscribe as usual. Everyone seems to be really great with that on my channel, and I'm so grateful. So thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.